Got a Saturn in the shop here, and wheel bearing making noise, and this is what I found when I took it apart. It's not supposed to be that way, and you got, I can't really see it, but it's started to wear into the knuckle there. So don't let them get to this point.